Unlocking your potential, one amazing day at a time. Imagine waking up each morning with a sense of purpose, knowing that today is another opportunity to become a better version of yourself. Each day is a blank canvas, waiting for you to paint it with your dreams, aspirations, and actions. The journey of unlocking your potential is not a sprint, but a marathon, where every step you take brings you closer to your true self. It's about making small, consistent efforts that accumulate over time, leading to significant personal growth and fulfillment. Life is a gift, a tapestry woven with threads of joy, challenges, and everything in between. Each thread represents a unique experience, a lesson learned, or a moment cherished. The beauty of this tapestry lies in its diversity, in the way different colors and textures come together to create a masterpiece. Embracing this gift means appreciating the highs and lows, understanding that every experience contributes to the richness of our lives. It's about finding beauty in the mundane and magic in the ordinary, recognizing that every moment is a precious part of our journey. Thriving isn't about reaching a destination. It's about embracing every single day as an opportunity to grow, learn, and experience life to the fullest. It's about waking up with a sense of curiosity and wonder, eager to explore the world around you and discover new facets of yourself. Growth happens in the small moments, in the daily choices we make, and in the way we respond to life's challenges. It's about being present, fully engaged in the here and now, and making the most of every opportunity that comes our way. It's about squeezing every drop of joy out of each moment and facing challenges head-on, emerging stronger and wiser. Life is full of ups and downs, but it's our attitude towards these experiences that defines our journey. By embracing challenges, we learn resilience and adaptability, qualities that help us navigate the complexities of life. Joy, on the other hand, is found in the simple pleasures, a walk in the park, a heartfelt conversation, or a moment of solitude in nature. It's about finding balance, appreciating the good times, and learning from the tough ones. Why simply exist when you can truly thrive? Existing is about going through the motions, living on autopilot without a sense of direction or purpose. Thriving, however, is about living with intention, making conscious choices that align with your values and aspirations. It's about setting goals, pursuing passions, and creating a life that brings you joy and fulfillment. Thriving means taking control of your destiny, being proactive rather than reactive, and striving to be the best version of yourself. Think of thriving as a continuous journey of self-discovery and growth. It's about constantly evolving, learning new things, and expanding your horizons. Self-discovery is a lifelong process, one that requires introspection, curiosity, and a willingness to step out of your comfort zone. It's about understanding your strengths and weaknesses, your passions and fears, and using this knowledge to guide your actions and decisions. Growth happens when we challenge ourselves, when we push our boundaries and strive to reach new heights. It's about nurturing your mind, body, and spirit. True thriving involves a holistic approach to well-being, one that encompasses physical health, mental clarity, and emotional balance. It's about taking care of your body through regular exercise, a balanced diet, and adequate rest. It's about nurturing your mind through continuous learning, mindfulness practices, and positive thinking. And it's about nourishing your spirit by connecting with your inner self, finding meaning and purpose, and cultivating a sense of inner peace and contentment. It's about setting goals that ignite your passions. Goals give us direction and motivation. They provide a roadmap for our journey and help us stay focused on what truly matters. When we set goals that align with our passions, we are more likely to stay committed and driven, even in the face of obstacles. It's about dreaming big, but also setting realistic and achievable milestones that keep us moving forward. Passion is the fuel that drives us. It gives us the energy and enthusiasm to pursue our dreams and make them a reality. It's about surrounding yourself with people who uplift and inspire you. The company we keep has a profound impact on our well-being and success. Positive, supportive relationships provide us with encouragement, motivation, and a sense of belonging. They challenge us to grow, to be our best selves, and to strive for greatness. It's about building a community of like-minded individuals who share our values and aspirations, who celebrate our successes and support us through our struggles. Together, we can achieve more than we ever could alone. Thriving is about embracing the present moment while building a brighter tomorrow. It's about being fully present, appreciating the here and now, and making the most of every moment. At the same time, it's about having a vision for the future, setting goals and taking steps towards achieving them. It's about balancing the present with the future, enjoying the journey while keeping an eye on the destination. By living in the moment and planning for the future, we create a life that is both fulfilling and forward-looking. It's about recognizing your potential and taking steps to unlock it. Each of us has unique talents, skills, and abilities that are waiting to be discovered and developed. It's about believing in yourself, having the confidence to pursue your dreams, and taking action to make them a reality. It's about setting goals, creating a plan, and staying committed to your journey. Unlocking your potential is a continuous process, one that requires dedication, perseverance, and a willingness to learn and grow. You deserve to thrive every single day. Thriving is not a privilege reserved for a select few. It's a right that belongs to each and every one of us. It's about believing in your worth, recognizing your potential, and taking steps to create a life that brings you joy and fulfillment. It's about making choices that align with your values, pursuing your passions, and surrounding yourself with positive influences. You deserve to live a life that is rich, meaningful, and full of joy. So, take the first step today and start your journey towards thriving. Recharge, rejuvenate, and awaken to your full potential. Imagine a life where you wake up every morning feeling refreshed, energized, and ready to take on the day. This isn't just a dream, it's a reality that can be achieved by understanding and harnessing the power of sleep. Did you know that we spend roughly 1/3 of our lives asleep? That's a significant portion of our existence, yet many of us don't fully appreciate the importance of this time. Sleep is often overlooked in our fast-paced world where productivity and constant activity are highly valued. It's easy to dismiss sleep as merely a time for our bodies to rest. However, this perspective misses the profound impact that sleep has on every aspect of our lives. When we sleep, our bodies and minds are far from inactive. However, sleep is far more than just shutting down for a few hours. It's a dynamic process that plays a crucial role in maintaining our health and well-being. During sleep, our bodies undergo essential processes that are vital for our physical and mental health. It's a fundamental pillar of health and well-being, as essential to thriving as the air we breathe. Just as we need food and water to survive, we need quality sleep to function at our best. Without it, our bodies and minds cannot operate optimally. During sleep, our bodies and minds embark on an incredible journey of restoration and rejuvenation. This journey is not just about rest, it's about repair, growth, and preparation for the challenges of the next day. Our bodies repair tissues, build muscle, and strengthen our immune system. Muscles repair themselves, energy stores replenish, and the brain processes information, consolidating memories, and solidifying learning. This means that sleep is not just about feeling rested, it's about enhancing our ability to learn, remember, and perform. Quality sleep is intrinsically linked to improved cognitive function, emotional balance, and physical health. When we get enough sleep, we are more alert, our mood is more stable, and our bodies are better able to fight off illness and recover from stress. Chronic sleep deprivation, on the other hand, can have detrimental effects on our well-being. It can lead to a host of health problems, including obesity, heart disease, and diabetes. It can also weaken our immune system, making us more susceptible to infections. It can impair our cognitive abilities, making it challenging to focus, make decisions, and retain information. This can affect our performance at work or school, and even our ability to enjoy our hobbies and personal interests. It can also impact our emotional resilience, making us more susceptible to stress, anxiety, and mood swings. When we are sleep deprived, we are more likely to feel overwhelmed by the challenges of daily life, and less able to cope with stress. Prioritizing sleep is not a luxury. It's an investment in your overall well-being and your ability to thrive. By making sleep a priority, you are giving yourself the best chance to live a healthy, happy, and productive life. So take the time to create a sleep-friendly environment, establish a regular sleep schedule, and practice good sleep hygiene. Your body and mind will thank you. Establishing a bedtime routine can signal to your body that it's time to wind down. This might include activities like reading a book, taking a warm bath, or practicing relaxation techniques such as deep breathing or meditation. Reducing exposure to screens and bright lights in the evening can also help prepare your body for sleep. The blue light emitted by phones, tablets, and computers can interfere with the production of melatonin, a hormone that regulates sleep. Consider incorporating calming activities into your evening routine, such as drinking a cup of herbal tea or journaling. These practices can help you relax and transition smoothly into sleep. Creating a comfortable sleep environment is also crucial. Make sure your bedroom is dark, quiet, and cool. Invest in a good mattress and pillows that support your body and help you maintain a comfortable sleeping position. When you prioritize sleep, you set yourself up for success. You'll wake up feeling refreshed and ready to face the day with energy and enthusiasm. You'll be more focused, more resilient, and better able to handle whatever comes your way. A good night's sleep can also positively impact your daily habits. You'll be more likely to make healthy choices, such as eating a nutritious breakfast and staying active throughout the day. You'll find that your relationships improve, as you'll be more patient, understanding, and emotionally balanced. Your productivity at work or school will also increase as you'll be able to concentrate better and think more clearly. Ultimately, prioritizing sleep can enhance your overall quality of life. You'll have more energy to pursue your passions, enjoy your hobbies, and spend time with loved ones. You'll feel happier, healthier, and more fulfilled. So remember, sleep is your secret weapon to thriving. Embrace it, prioritize it, and watch as it transforms your life for the better. Sweet dreams.